This is a step-by-step video tutorial on how to crochet a sunflower. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make one sunflower with the leaf and the stem, and then I'll also show you how to assemble multiple sunflowers to make this bouquet applique. You will need 3 colors of yarn: a golden, yellow, brown, and green. This is all 4 medium weight acrylic yarn. I'll link the exact colors that I use in my blog post, which will be linked in the description. You'll also need a 5mm crochet hook, felt if you're choosing to make an applique out of the bouquet, out of the sunflowers, and then you'll also need some sort of glue. I'll be using hot glue for this tutorial. Starting off with the center of the sunflower, using brown, make a magic circle and chain up 1. Then make 6 single crochet into that magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then take the tail and pull it close. Then you'll increase in each stitch going around, making 12 stitches in the next round. So you don't have to do anything except insert into that first stitch from the first round. So make 2 single crochet in that, 1, 2, and then you'll make 2 single crochets in each stitch going around till you get to 12. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now we do one more round with the brown. So you'll make 1 single crochet in the next stitch and then 2 single crochets in the next. And you'll do that until you get to 18 stitches going around. So that's 3. This next one is 4, 5, and 6 are in the next one. 7, 8, and 9 are in the next one. 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, and 15 are in the next one. 14, 15, and then 16. The last stitch will get 17 and 18. And then I usually just slip stitch into the next stitch and then pull a loop through. Cut the ends, and you'll weave this tail through a few times or just twice, and then I usually just cut the tails here. All right, and now we'll move on to the petals. The petals, you'll be using this golden yellow. First, make a slip knot. You're going to be making 9 petals total going around the brown. So we'll start with petal number 1. Just insert, make a slip stitch, and then from here you'll chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Make a triple crochet in that same stitch. So yarn over 2 times and then pull loop through once, through twice, and then through 3 times. From here, chain 3 again. So 1, 2, 3, and you'll make a slip stitch in that 3rd chain from the hook. So insert, pull loop through, and then pull that loop through again. Then make another triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into that same stitch. Slip stitch. And that's an entire petal. So now you're going to skip this next stitch and insert into the one after it with a slip stitch. And then you'll repeat. So let's go through it again. Chain 3, 2, 3, make a triple crochet in that same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then make a chain of 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Insert into that 3rd chain from the hook and make a slip stitch. Make another triple crochet, and then chain 3 again. 2, 3. Insert and slip stitch into that same stitch. Then skip the next one, so that's the next one. You'll insert into that one with a slip stitch, and you'll continue all the way around until you have 9 petals all together. So you've made your 9 petals, and you'll just slip stitch like you normally would into that next stitch, and then finish off, pull a loop through, weave the ends through the petals, and this is the end of your sunflower. And now we'll move on to the stem and the leaf. For the stem, really simple, just make a chain of 30 or however long you want the stem to be, but I made a chain of 30, and then you will insert your hook into the 2nd chain from the hook, make a single crochet, and then make single crochets going all the way down the chain until you end up with 29 single crochets total. It'll end up looking like this. So this is just one of my stems for this bouquet. For the leaves, take your green, make a slip knot, and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a single crochet in the 2nd chain from the hook, and then make a half double crochet. Then make 2 double crochet over the next 2 stitches. So here's 1 double crochet, and then move into the next, another double crochet, and then make 2 triple crochets over the next 2 stitches. So here's 1 triple crochet, 2, 3, and another one. Okay, and now you're at the last chain from the hook. She'll make 5 triple crochet in that last chain. Here's 1. 2. 3. 4, 5, and then now you'll go down the other side of the chain. So make a triple crochet in the next 2 stitches. So here's 1, another triple crochet in the next. I'm just tucking the tail in as I go. Make a double crochet over the next 2 stitches, so 1, and then another double crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next, and then a single crochet in the last stitch, and then you can just yarn over, pull a loop through. And you'll take the end, weave it in and out, okay, and then that's the end of your petal. So you can just keep it simple like this. You could just make a flower with 2 petals maybe, and just use this as an applique even, but I'm going to also show you how to assemble 3 sunflowers to make this bigger applique. Now that you know how to make the sunflower, stick around if you want to see how to make it into a bouquet. So you'll want to make 3 sunflowers, 3 of the leaves, and then 3 stems. And then I just kind of first place it out without any glue and just see where I want to glue the pieces. And then you want to make sure you have hot glue and some felt, and you'll glue all the pieces down. So we'll start with the pieces that are closest to the felt. So I'll take this flower off and we'll start with maybe this leaf because it's right underneath that. So just make an easy outline going around the leaf. And place it right where you had it. And then I'll do this flower next. Just kind of go across all the flower petals. And again, just place it right where I had it roughly. Okay. Then we'll do this leaf next. And this one. Actually, maybe I'll do the stems next. We'll save this one. Put that here. And I'll just kind of glue the top parts down just so they stay in the exact spot that I want them. Okay, then I'll go down back of the stem. Lay it down flat. Then I'll do this leaf. And if you have any glue that gets stuck, you can always just cut it. Okay, place that down. Now I gotta go back and do this one. Just kind of pick it up from the side. And place that down. That's glued. Okay. And then last, we're left with that one. So that one will go right on top. Center, and then push it all the pieces down. Okay, and then you'll just take scissors and cut along the entire perimeter until you cut out all the felt. Right, and now you're done with your whole bouquet, and you can even put a little bow around it here or add something here, or just take this applique as is, put it inside a picture frame. You could put it on a burlap bag or a canvas tote bag, put a string behind it and have it hanging as a decoration. There's so many things that you can do with this. I'm looking forward to hearing what you do with your applique. So let me know in the comments, tag me on Instagram, and all the details for this pattern, including the materials and the written instructions, will be in the blog post linked in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your day.